Jerusalem artichoke potato soup. These are Jerusalem artichokes, aka sunchokes. And for each batch of soup, I use about a pound of net weight once we peel it. And I let them soak in some acidulated water, a little lemon water, while I'm chopping them. I'm starting our soup pot with 1 large onion. I was just in the middle of slicing. A couple of cloves of crushed garlic, a little bundle of rosemary, and a combination of olive oil and a little butter. So we're going to get this going first and let that start sweating. So I'm going to add a little rosemary salt and a little white pepper and our little bundle of rosemary itself. Now I also have here 2 russet potatoes, peeled and cubed. And I've covered them in water so that I could prep all of this vegetable way ahead. Remove the lemon and drain off our potatoes and our Jerusalem artichokes or sunchokes. And I'm just going to kind of bury all that in there together. And then we want to trap the heat, so I'm going to mostly cover it. I leave a little opening there. And we'll let that shrink way down and get nice and tender. Okay guys, so I added some vegetable stock. I'm gonna wait and see how we go. I added a full quart, but I wanna see our consistency, and it's kind of dangerous to put a stick blender into a pot with too much hot liquid. I'm gonna pull out the little bundle of rosemary. It's done its job now. You really have to be careful here, because you're starting out with really big chunks, and you just have to go cautiously until you kind of get it going. Look at this consistency in the corners. That's what you're going for. That really smooth, kind of velvet looking product is what we're going for. No discernible pieces left of the potato and the Jerusalem artichoke. Now, very slowly, we're going to add our cream and let this go to the absolute lowest your stove can go. About a half a cup of heavy cream goes in at the very end. Look at how it pours. Oh. Then, the really fun part for me, we take the potato skins, and I save some of the longer pieces, and I brown them in the oven with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray, non-aerosol, and a little bit of crispy sunchoke, and sprinkles, a little bit of crispy shallot.